Hey, what's going on, everybody? Fishhook Terry here. Gonna do some ice fishing today. I don't know how great this is gonna be because it is freaking freezing outside. Pure Michigan. I don't even know. It's probably like 10 degrees, but the wind is blowing like 20 miles an hour. It is out of control, but we're a diehard and we go fish when we have the opportunity. So, hoping to catch maybe some pike, some walleye. I'm actually here with my boy, and I'll link all of his info down below. Extreme Outdoorsmen. You've probably seen his channel, his Instagram. He's a really cool guy, and he got a hold of me, said, hey, let's go fish. So here we are. We're going to do some tip-ups. We're going to do some jigging. Whatever we got to do, we need some fish today, especially with it being so cold. We've got to at least catch something. So hang in here with me, guys. Going to go out on the lake now and slay. See you in a second. In the tent, got Dylan, Extreme Outdoorsmen. We're in about, what, 15 foot?
Yep.
As my GoPro just shuts off, of course, and low battery all of a sudden, great. Trying to see if we can catch a nice pike. Dylan's got the rattle trap on, and then I've got a Rapala, like jigging wrap, and I think we've maybe have marked a fish come through here, but
no luck yet.
No luck yet.
We're trying.
Dylan was gracious enough to let me come out today, and he's got all this sick gear because I haven't ice fished in forever. And but Dylan's got.
I'll be out here every week.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be out here with Dylan every week now. Got the tip ups going. What do we got on the tip-ups?
Suckers around like 8 to 10 foot. So hopefully we get some luck on those.
Yeah, because you had some luck, last week, right?
Yeah, last week we had like 4 flags, but 3 minnows were gone, and we had one small pike. It was around like 15 inches, but nothing big yet this year.
But this lake's got some major fish on it. So we're hoping to hook into
At
Big Mama.
30 incher.
Now you're talking.
That'd be pretty cool.
So we shall see. It's
I think it's like 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I think it might be a little later than that. Maybe like 2:30. But wish us luck. We need a 30 incher plus.
Yep. Keep watching. See what we catch.
Well, you see that?
We're packing up.
We've packed up. We've admitted defeat today.
Yeah, pretty bad.
It's pretty brutal out here. We've tried a lot of different spots, and all we've caught are some weeds, no bites, and kind of sad. I mean, I thought we'd really find some today, but if you if you look, I'll kind of pan around. We're the only two dudes on the lake,
Yeah.
so
It's pretty rough out here today.
I think people kind of knew what was up, but we tried it because we're hardcore. So screw the rest of them. We at least tried. So we're gonna go do these tip ups real quick, get them brought in. Maybe we'll have one, but
Get warm.
and then get warm. Exactly. All right. We picked up all the tip ups. No fish. I think I'm wind burnt. But it was a lot of fun. No fish though. Maybe next time we'll have to go fishing with Dylan, Extreme Outdoorsmen again. All the stuff putting away in the back of the trucks. Forerunner. Again, it was a nice day in terms of the sun. But man, how am I feeling this wind burn tomorrow? Holy crap. But we're ready to rock and roll, get out of here, go warm up. I appreciate you guys watching another video. Like I said, I'm gonna link all of Extreme Outdoorsman stuff below. You guys gotta go follow him, subscribe to his channel. I appreciate you guys. Fishhook Terry saying peace out. Talk to you later. Deuce.